Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use flashlight in Canon G7x Mark II. So friends, before starting video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Now let's start the video. So guys, first of all, on this camera from the top button. So I just on this camera, and after this guys, on the flashlight from here. Okay, and after this guys, you can see the options here. It is now on M, so you have to go on P, set the P, and after that guys, use flashlight from the P button. Now you can see guys, look, so the flashlight is now on guys. Look at the picture. This is the flashlight picture in daylight. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful video like this, and comment below anything you want and like this video. Okay guys, I'll see you soon with a new video. Till now, bye bye, take care.